Here we have a quadratic equation and we want to factorize and solve it. But if you notice, the coefficient of x squared is greater than 1. So let us factorize it. So this approach I'm going to use is what I call the highest common factor method, HCF method. It's very simple and it's easy to work with. So what I'm going to do, I have 4x squared here minus 16 plus 15 equals 0. So where I have the 4x squared here, I'm going to just simply put 4x here and 4x here. Then I use 4 to multiply by 15, and that's going to give me positive 60. So I want the factors of positive 60. That's going to give me a sum of minus 16. So we know that 6 times 10 is 60. But when we add them together, we get 16. Therefore, that should be negative 6, and that should be negative 10. So when we add them together, we're going to get minus 16. So it means that these are the factors we need. So we're going to put minus 6 here, and we're going to put minus 10 here. This is rough working out. Then what we do is to find the highest common factors of the terms in the bracket. So here the highest common factor of 4 and 6 is 2. The highest common factor of 4 and 10 there is 2 as well. So 2 into 4x is going to give me 2x. So we would put 2x in here as our first. And then 2 into minus 6 is going to give me minus 3. And then 2 into 4x is going to give me 2x. And 2 into minus 10 is going to give me minus 5. So these are the factors we need. So we have factorized the equation now. So we can solve it. So 2x minus 3 equals 0. Or 2x minus 5 equals 0. So we add 3 both sides to solve for x here. So it means that 2x equals 3. So x equals 3 over 2 or 1.5. Let us add 5 both sides. So we have 2x equals 5. So x equals to 5 over 2 or 2.5. Let us look at another example. Here we have 6x squared minus 7x minus 3 equals 0. So we're going to use the same approach, which is the HCF method. Okay, so here we do the rough working out. I'm going to put 6x in here and 6x. And then what we do, we multiply 6 times minus 3, and that's minus 18. So we want the factors of minus 18, that when we add them together we get minus 7. So we know that minus 9 times 2 gives us minus 18, and when we add them together we also get minus 7. So it means that it's minus 9 in here and positive 2. The HCF of 6 and 9 is 3. So we have 3 into 6x here is going to give me 2x. And 3 into minus 9 is going to give me minus 3. So we got the first one there. HCF of 2 and 6 is 2. So we divide by 2. So 2 into 6x there is going to give me 3x. And 2 into 2 is going to give me 1. So we have factorized it now. So let us solve. So we have 2x minus 3 equals 0. Or 3x plus 1 equals 0. Let us solve for x. So we add 3 both sides. So 2x then equals 3. So x equals to 3 over 2, which is also 1.5. And for this one we subtract 1 both sides. So we have 3x then equals minus 1. We divide by 3. So x is equal to minus 1 over 3. Let us look at another example. Here we have 12x squared minus 13x equal plus 3 equals 0. So we're going to use the highest common factor method as well. So we want put HCF here so you can recall that. So we put 12x in here and 12x here. So we use this 12 to multiply by positive 3, so that's going to give us 36. So we want the factors of positive 36, that's going to give us minus 13. We know that 9 times 4 gives us 36, and when we add them together we get 13, so that should be minus 9, and that's minus 4, and that gives us minus 13. So these are the factors we need, minus 9 and minus 4. So the highest common factor of 12 and 9 is 3. So it means that 3 into 12x is going to give me 4x, and 3 into minus 9 is going to give me minus 3. And the highest common factor of 4 and 12 here is 4. So 4 into 12x here is going to give me 3x. And 4 into minus 4 there is going to give me minus 1. So it means that we have factorized. So let us solve it now. So we have 4x minus 3 equals 0. Or 3x minus 1 equals 0. Let us add 3 both sides. So we have 4x equals 3. So x equals 3 over 4. And for this one we add 1 both sides. Therefore 3x equals 1. So we divide both sides by 3. So x is 1 over 3. Here are some practice questions. Please press pause and have a go.